Hi, Ashley. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier today, and I told you that I was going to be sending you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites a little bit. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I am on your home page, which I actually really like your guys' name, by the way. But as I scroll through here, we can see that you guys do not have very much content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. You guys have 315 words. So we would definitely want to add some more content on here. And we'd want to make sure that content was quality educational content. Google is going to come through and read through everything, and they are going to deem whether or not their users will be able to find the information or the services that they're looking for with ease. And in addition to having quality educational content, we want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume, relevant keywords so that we can get you guys ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I am on Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is mold remediation Dayton OH. This is a great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to just get a few of these searches as customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right underneath the search bar, we would usually see Google ads. There are no Google ads popping up for this keyword at this time, but Google ads are a really good way to get your name out there, get some customers through the door really quickly, as long as you know what you are doing. If you don't, you can waste a lot of money, but if you do, it's a really good quick fix. And right underneath where the ads would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so this is a good spot to be at. And in order to get on the first page here, you have to be in the top 3. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. Those are all examples of high-powered, highly trusted, highly used directories. And so you want to be on as many of those as you can, and definitely more than these 3 businesses are right here. So beneath that, we have our organic search results. And so this is definitely the number 1 area you want to focus on. It is by far the best return on investment. And that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results right here. And so here we can see the first company website that pops up for this keyword. And so I scrolled through here earlier, and they actually have 1,541 words of content on this home page. So they are right about where they need to be as far as content goes, but we could definitely beat them out with the quality level of content. And the main way you're actually going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is just like a shout out from another website. So the internet is made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. And you want to get backlinks from other companies' websites that are relevant to your own. So like a local and trusted plumbing company or construction company, if they were to give your website a backlink from their website, that would be a really good, powerful backlink for you guys to have. And so over here, I've jumped over to Ahrefs. This is ahrefs.com. This is a really great tool. If you ever plan on trying to do this on your own, I highly recommend using this tool. It does cost around $400 a month to use, but it gives you a lot of good information. So Right here, I pulled up the competitor's site that we were just taking a look at, and we can see they have 268 backlinks from 124 different domains and are ranking for 852 keywords. So we can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. Right here to the left, it will show all the keywords they're ranking for. It'll show how many people search for that keyword a month. Then we can see how much traffic they get from that keyword and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can go through here and pick and choose which ones seem the most relevant to your business and pick which ones will bring in the most traffic, and we can add those into your content. And so, the same way that we went through their keywords, we can actually look through their backlinks as well. And basically, just the same way that we went through all of the keywords, we can go through all the backlinks. We want to find the ones with a high DR domain rating, and we can go through and pick and choose which ones we want to snag for your website. And we want to do this with a bunch of other competitors and find some of our own backlinks as well, because we want to get well over the amount of backlinks they have. They have 248. This is a decent amount. It is definitely beatable, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide, and we want to completely dominate the market in all the different areas that you guys serve in and serve for. And so over here, I've pulled up your website. You guys have 248 backlinks from 51 different domains and are ranking for 100 keywords. And so really quickly, we'll just go through. And here I can already see pretty much all the keywords you guys are ranking for have your own name in them. So if someone isn't already looking for your specific company, it's going to be a little bit harder for them to find you. So we definitely want to get some more high volume keywords. That would definitely be a top priority. Um, but to kind of recap what we talked about, number one, we want more quality educational content with the right amount of high powered, high volume keywords that are relevant to your business. Number two, we want more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number three, we want high powered, relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you're interested in getting to know more about me or what we talked about today, please do not hesitate to reach out. Like I said before, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.